now we can have conversation together. Please answer my questions. Do you have a torch in case of a power outage? Do you like to watch stars in the night sky? Do you enjoy spending time on the balcony, if you have one? Are you worried about your financial situation? Have you noticed any development in your neighborhood recently? Where do you usually buy meat? From a butcher or a supermarket? Do you have any enemies around you? What does your uncle do for a living? How much is the entrance fee for the zoo? Have you ever had a serious illness? Hope not. And now, create sentences from following words: minute, drink, leader, thin, frost. I'm going to read a dictation now, so please write it down and then read it out loud. In a small village, Lily cared for her chickens every day. One frosty morning, she found Snowflake ill. Worried, she looked after her, never leaving her side. Despite her illness, Snowflake got better. Lily's family planned to open a farm shop. Lily helped, but never forgot Snowflake. They opened the shop, selling eggs and vegetables. Lily smiled under the stars, grateful for her family and their farm. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.